Hi, it's Anne here, and today's video is my first update for my beauty project pan for 2025. So this is essentially a project pan like my regular project pan, but this is exclusively hair care, skin care, face care, everything else care, everything other than makeup, and that my regular project pan is just specifically makeup. So let's just get straight into this. I did forget to do an update last month, so this is our first update. So the first product is the Bath & Body Works Almond and Vanilla Body Oil. I'm not sure if you can see where we're at. We're kind of just at the word vanilla. I'll put screenshots up of where I was at last month. I'm not going to do side-by-sides for this particular project. One of the reasons is I realize I have like way too many items in this project and I definitely want to try and keep this project simple. I think I'm even going to start, when I finish things up, not roll things in, although I am already rolling in something this time, but I think we're going to try and like trim this down a little bit. But yeah, this is going along okay. I think I'll have no problem finishing this year. I just have to keep focusing on it. So last month this was 140.04 grams. It's now 120.12 grams. That's a difference of 19.92 grams. Next up is the Bath & Body Works Lavender and Vanilla Shea Sugar Body Scrub. There's lots of Bath & Body Works in this project, just a heads up. This is so close to being done. I could have finished it, but we're like, it's like I didn't want to just use it for the sake of using it. I wanted to make sure I was using it organically, but also focusing on it. But yeah, we're really close to this being done. So we'll have this finished for next month. And I think I do have two other scrubs. I don't feel like rolling either one in. I don't feel pressured to finish either one. I think I will probably finish one of them. Well, I'll get through. I have a coffee one and I have another Bath & Body Works one, and I kind of want to use the coffee one, even though the Bath & Body Works one is older. It's a Vanilla Noel one, so I feel like it's more Christmassy, so that's why it's lasting me longer, because I only use it for like a short period of time in the year. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyway, what I'm trying to say is once this is done, I don't see myself rolling in another scrub at this point. So last month this was 134.23 grams. It's now 80.53 grams. That's a difference of 53.7 grams. Next up is our Gingham Fragrance Mist from Bath & Body Works, and I was able to draw a new line on this. We were making pretty good progress on it. I feel pretty happy about it. It is going to slow down a little bit with having my little pipsqueak, and she's a little under the weather. She's not super healthy right now, so I'd rather just kind of like lay off the fragrances. Like I'm not using my wallflowers. I'm not really burning any candles. Really laying off the fragrances because I don't want to irritate her in any sense. She doesn't have any lung issues or anything, but let's just like not add to the issues. I will use this one once in a while. She doesn't really go in the bathroom unless she follows me in, which she actually doesn't always follow me in. One of the first pets that I've had that doesn't automatically follow me into the bathroom. So last month this was 228 grams. It's now 220 grams. That's a difference of 8 grams. Next up is the hand cream. I feel like I'm doing okay on this compared to last year with my other hand cream. I have been trying to make sure I use this. It's going to take a while though. So last month this was 35.02 grams. It's now 30.22 grams. That's a difference of 4.8 grams. This product I'm really, really happy with. I think I could have, honestly, I could have had it finished by now, but I kind of slowed off on it because it's like, you're going hard on this. Maybe you're using it too much. Like maybe you're overusing it. So this is an EOS lip balm, but I'm using it on my feet. And in particular, my feet have been super dry. My skin has been super dry this winter, like really flaky, like everywhere. I really haven't had it this bad until this year. Like this has been the worst year so far. So yeah, this has been super easy to use on my feet because they've been real gross. Yeah, so last month this was 25.99 grams. It's now 23.41 grams. That's a difference of 2.58 grams. Next up is this Lush shampoo. So, funny thing, behind the scenes, when I put this video together, I kind of quickly grabbed all the products and quickly threw them in the spreadsheet, but I didn't actually write the full names of products. So some of them I had to like figure out what they were. At least this one was Lush shampoo, so I knew it was. There's a few in there. Like I just wrote one Wander. I'm like, what is that? what did I put in this project? There's a few items in this project that I did kind of forget were in this project. This isn't one of them though. This is one, well, I shouldn't say that. I did kind of forget it was in the project, but it's something that I've been using regularly anyway. I think I said it in my last video, it's like some sort of seaweed one. It's the one that I use like if I wash my hair, so my whole hair is clean, but if I won't wash my hair tonight, but my bangs will feel a little bit greasy, so I use a little bit of this to just like wash up the bangs in the sink. I hope that makes sense. And yeah, that's how I'm getting through it. I do really like this product. Like I said, I would repurchase it. It's just getting really, really old, and I want to roll it out and finish it up. The other fragrance that I have in here is the Bath & Body Works Snowflakes and Cashmere. I did say I wanted to have this finished by springtime. Again, not going to happen, but we're getting through it. Definitely will be done by the end of the year. So you can see the new line that I drew there at the bottom. Well, like not the bottom, but like right here. So definitely good progress on this guy. I really like this scent. It's an easy, everyday kind of scent. Super sort of like soft. So it's not, I feel like it's a very non-offensive scent, if that makes sense. There's somebody at work. So like I said, we are a scent-free office, but like I do wear my vanillas. I do wear my like softer scents when I go to the office. And I've asked my coworkers, I'm like, is it like, and like, we don't really notice. So they're like, you don't smell bad, but you don't smell like really anything. I'm like, okay, good. I'm like, at least I'm light, because we do have somebody in our office that, oh mama, he does this himself. And like midday he'll do it. And it's like, you're literally walking through a cloud. Like it's a little too much. Anyway, this was 75.66 grams. It's now 65.7 grams. That's a difference of 9.96 grams. So the next item, I will put a picture up somewhere on the screen because I already threw it out. And not even threw it out like in the garbage, like it's already gone down the chute. Like it's gone. It's the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. In my excitement of like tidying up and cleaning things up, I threw it out after filming my buys and buys. So I did finish it. Yay! But totally forgot that it was in this project and that I should like put it, like weigh it. And actually properly finish it out in this project. So yeah, I did finish a hair product, so I'm really happy that I have finished an item. I am going to roll in something, but I'll talk about that at the very end. Next up is the Good Molecules Squalane Oil. So I did draw a line on this so you can see where it's at. We're getting really close to the bottom. That's where it's at right now. So I'm really happy about that. This is working really well. I talked about like I had issues using facial oils because they were like pilling. Specifically this Pills with the Fab Ultra Repair Cream. It's fine with everything I use now, so it's much easier to use. And like I said, my skin's been really dry lately, so it's been great to be able to throw this in. So that's probably why I'm flying through this, because I've needed it. My skin has definitely needed it. So last month, this was 33.53 grams. It's now 30.79 grams. That's a difference of 2.74 grams. This guy is going slowly. It's this Peter Thomas Roth Lash. It says Lashes to Die For Turbo Conditioning Lash Enhancer. I have barely used it, to be honest. Oh, you did real good. You did real good. We're working on, so it's really hard to give her a bit of independence because like I have to hand feed her essentially and like hold her up while she's eating and all sorts of things. And she is very cuddly, but I also don't want her to become uber dependent, if that makes sense, like clingy and like separation anxiety. So far she's been fine. I haven't left her for very long yet, but when I leave she seems fine, but she definitely likes to just be with me all the time. Like all the time, like right up in my face, right there. So this guy, I was going to try and pull the stopper. I did try and I couldn't get it out and I just left it. I've been trying to play with it. I don't think it's doing anything. I've been mostly just using it on my eyebrows, not really my lashes. I've talked about like the brush is super weird in this. We did have a weight change, so I have been using product. We're going to keep going with it for one more month, and then I think I'm just going to call it. So this was 9.24 grams. It's now 9.18 grams. That's a difference of 0.06 grams. Okay, this was the Wander item. I'm like, Wander? What's the Wander item? This is the Wander item. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So it's a peely mask. This just keeps going. I thought it was going to be done by now, and it's just still trucking along. So yeah, this mask, I thought it would be done by now, but it just keeps going. I haven't been using it lately. I feel like I used it earlier in January, and then for February, I don't even know if I used it at all. Oh, but I do have a funny story. I just remembered. So I had put it on in the afternoon, and then I was like sitting watching TV, and then I like peeled it off, and I was like, okay, I gotta wipe my face down, because there's always little bits and pieces stuck to your face like that you can't peel off. And I was like, when the show or whatever I was watching was finished, I'll do that. And I forgot. And I had ordered pizza, and I went to go pick up the pizza, and I saw people in the street. I saw the pizza people. I was in the elevator with somebody. I get back home. I had like a huge piece, like half hanging off my face. But the funny thing is, this is like a pink colored, so it looked probably like my skin. So yeah, I looked like I was literally peeling, like my face was peeling like a snake. I was like, well, hopefully I don't see that person again. I don't even remember who the person was in the elevator, because that would be the only person I'd probably see again. And the workers, I'm sure, wouldn't even really notice. But anyway, just the dumb things that I do sometimes. So last month it was 28.02 grams. It's now 25.72 grams. That's a difference of 2.3 grams. Next up, we have this Detangler from Balia. I don't know if this brand still exists anymore. I feel like this was a Shoppers Drug Mart brand. Does it still exist? I don't know. We are so close, guys. I don't know how well you can see. What's going on? We're right at the bottom there. I just need to finish it. It's one of those things that I kind of like got lax about. Otherwise, I'd be finished by now. So last month that was 58.58 grams. It's now 44.68 grams. That's a difference of 13.9 grams. We're getting very close to the end. Very close, honey. She's getting a little restless. So next up is this is actually a Clinical Works vitamin C spray. Again, kind of forgot that this was in the project, but I've kind of used it here and there. I'm just kind of remembering to use it. I don't love the product. It does nothing for me. I just want to finish it up. So it's actually in this all-nighter thing, because the spray for the Clinical Works thing is terrible. So last month that was, where are we at? 119.22 grams. It's now 108.76 grams. That's a difference of 10.46 grams. It's pretty good. The last product that we have in the project currently is the Crest White Strips. I don't know which order my videos are going up. I'm pretty sure my buys and buys are going to go up before this. And you'll notice in the empties that there's no white strips. The original plan, because there was 9, was to use 3 a month. 3 January, 3 February, 3 March. I used 2 in January, 0 in February. So that means we have 7 left. We're way behind. So again, I kind of want to get back on track with that. The issue with those strips is you have to leave them on for an hour. And my problem is, I had one out on my counter, and every time I looked at it, I'm like, okay, put it on the counter, like the actual strip out on the counter, and then you'll use it. And I would look at it like when I was brushing my teeth or doing my hair or something. I'm like, oh, I gotta use that. I'm like, oh, I can't use it right now because whatever, like I'm going out or I'm going to have dinner or whatever. So I was like, okay, I'll do it later. And then later was just forgotten. It's a common thread with me. I forget things a lot. So yeah, I gotta try a little bit harder. I want to again do 3, try and use 3 for March. I don't want to like try and catch up because I think that's gonna be crazy. But if I can try and use minimum 2, goal is 3 for March, I'll be happy with that. And then the last item, because I did finish the Living Proof product, is this Triple Sec Dry Bar product. Dry Bar is the brand, Triple Sec is the product, and it's called 3-in-1 Texturizes, Amplifies, and Refreshes. I would love to know if any of you guys use this product and what you use it for, because I don't get it. I don't really like it. I think I'm going to try and use it as a hairspray. I tried to use it the other day as sort of like a dry shampoo-ish. My hair wasn't super oily, but it was looking a little flat and a little so I was like, okay, let me try that, and it just was crusty. Like it didn't really do anything. And like, because it says it like refreshes, and I'm like, I don't get the refreshing part. And like, I really don't style my hair a lot. I haven't even been curling it lately. I've been really lazy. This is my hair. I let it air dry, but I had it like tied up, so it's just like, blah. Like I didn't do anything with my hair. So I don't know. I would love to know tips if you use this, what you use it for. I'm contemplating maybe not keeping it in the project, and maybe I keep it for like summertime. I'm more likely to style my hair in summertime more so than winter because I'm wearing hats in the wintertime, so I don't really style it in the winter because it just gets all squashed down anyway. So yeah, that's the last product. So yeah, I have 15 products in this project, which I feel like is a little too much for me. I'd like to dial that back to maybe like 12. So as we roll out some stuff, we won't roll in things for every single one. Let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye. All right. If you like this video, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't, I would love it. And Callie would love it if you subscribe to my channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well. And we will see you sometime soon. Yeah? Yeah? Oh. Bye.